Hi everyone, this is Miss Tom with Math Minute number 93. We're going to be solving, is this solution a solution to the equation, yes or no? Alright, so let's go ahead and solve for x. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and slice it, noticing that we're going to see is x equal to 3. There's many ways of doing this. You can either substitute x for 3, or you can go ahead and solve it. I'm going to actually show you both ways here. If I substitute in x for 3, again, noticing how I am putting parentheses here, does it have a true solution? Are these equal? We have to find out. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1, got that, 15 minus 5, that's 10 over here, that's 10 over here. Yes, it works, makes a true statement. Therefore, it is the same. Also, if you subtract 3x to both sides here, you're going to end up getting 0 pair. 1 is equal to 2x minus 5. Add the 5 to both sides. And you're going to notice 2x is equal to 6. Divide by the 2. We get x is equal to 3, which is what we had earlier. Alright, next one. We're going to go over number 2. Number 2, it says 3x is less than 15. Well, that means we're just going to divide by 3, which means x is less than 5. Alrighty, continuing on, we're going to use that distributive property. 4 times x is going to be 4x squared. And then 4x times negative 6 is going to be negative 24. Remember, we can't combine them because they're unlike terms. Alright, let's go over number 4 now. Number 4 says negative x is equal to negative 16. So what is positive x equal to? So we kind of did one of these problems similarly. Notice how it's negative. We're ending up, we're going to divide by a negative 1 to both sides, and we will get x is equal to negative 7. Alright, so far so good. Next we're going to talk about, is 2, 3 a solution to this? Now 2, 3 represents x and y, where we represent x with 2 and y with, so we've got x with 2 and y with 3, and that's going to be equal to 12. So we have 3 times 2, which is 6, plus another 6. Is that equal to 12? Yes, it is, so it is true. Alright, and continuing on to number 7. Number 7, we can always divide by that negative 4. We do to one side, we do the other, and we end up getting a is less than or equal to negative 3. Alright, so far so good. And then it's asking, what is the slope of this line? Keep in mind that we have y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and m is the slope, which is here at 4. So m is equal to 4. Did we get that? Hopefully we got it. Very nice if you did. Next thing is we're going to go over what is the y-intercept of 7. Well, it actually doesn't give us the y-intercept. Y-intercept, remember, is when x is equal to 0, what is y equal to? So if we notice, it goes from 5 to 9, 9 to 5. Okay, so there's not a regular pattern here. So what we're going to need to do is, well, 5 to 9, that's going to be adding 4. But then here is a different number. And also notice that it goes from 2, 4, 7. So it's not quite the same pattern here. So what I would suggest is to kind of just find the change in y over the change in x. Change in y meaning the slope. Alright, just doing the change in y over the change in x. So we look here and go, okay, that's a change of 4. Okay, that's a change of 2. So that means we know our slope is 2. If our slope is 2, we're going to figure out that 1 should be 3 and 0 should be 1. Alright, so we've got our y-intercept is going to be 1. And then it says to figure out the rule. Oh, they actually already gave us our y-intercept right here. What was our slope? We found our slope in the previous problem right over here. We know our slope is 2. Alright, and then we have to use the function rule to find y if x is equal to 10. Basically, all we're doing here is y is equal to 2 times x plus 1, where x is 10, 2 is what we're finding, and we get y is equal to 2 times 10 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Alright everybody, how'd we do on that? Hopefully very well, and I'll see you guys for the next Math Minute.